Hi, Susan here. Okay, use my block pant pattern sloper for a perfect fit. That's what's next. Okay, I heard you guys. I heard the frustration with some of you. I do have a two-part series on how to draft your own pant sloper to your measurements and your size. It's not easy, it can be a little tricky, but so I have finally gotten my pant sloper that is printable at your local printer in sizes for you, for the ones who don't want to go through the drafting process. The ones who don't want to tackle all those numbers and not necessarily want to be a full-blown designer, but want to have really good fitting pants and understand fit and some adjustments that might need to be done. I have my sloper available. This is my true and tried sloper lock pattern that I have designed and used, and it works really well for most body types, and I have it in sizes from 4 to 16, guys, so I hope it's going to fit most of you. And I'm going to have upcoming videos explaining how to fit it properly, which sizes to go to when you're actually checking the sizes for your sloper pattern, so that you have a nice block, a nice foundation that's going to fit you and be there for your pants, so that you can start being creative. You can just change the hem a little bit. You can just change the leg a little bit. You can make it a palazzo. You can make it a peg. You can make it a short or long type of pant, because you're going to have a good baseline, a good shape or block pattern, as we call it in the industry, to help you get there. So I wanted to just hop on real quick and explain that I have this. Let me explain a little bit about the actual sloper, and let's do that next. So here it is. I made it only 24 inches wide on purpose. That way you can go to most print shops. They will usually have paper this size at your local print shop, so that you can print this out. You can print it in color or in black and white. I do have the sizes here, and each size will have its own type of line and color. I do have a little bit of information here as well. This is a sloper pattern, guys. So this does not have seam allowance. It is the block. It is the base. It's the guts of the pattern. You use this to adjust and make new designs, and then you would add your 1/2 inch seam allowance all around. This is for USA sizing on women from 4 to 6. I have my sizing chart here. You will follow it. And like I said, upcoming videos will explain further on which sizes to go. It's nice because if your waist is maybe a size 10, but your hip is really more like a size 8, you can go from line to line and do a custom actual fit for yourself. I'll go into more detail on upcoming videos on this, but I just wanted you to see that it's here. I have my special crotch here for the more detailed, and helps with a better fit on most people with the crotch line here. It's not your generic drafting method that doesn't fit a human, guys. This is tried and true. So I hope that you're gonna go on my website and check it out, so that we can get started with fit and adjustments and possible design elements on how to make your own pants that fit you perfect. So that's the best way to go about it, guys, if you don't want to fuss with all the numbers and drafting your own pattern. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you haven't come on board yet, subscribe. Hit that like notification and the bell on the subscription so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Usually post on a Monday morning, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.